right, before this video even starts, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, this is one of the worst rounds of golf that I've played in a while, okay? It's one of the worst rounds I've played in a while, but I'm gonna show it to y'all just to show that I just keep it real. Roll the tape. All right, I'm out here at Knob Hill. The goal, of course, is to break 100. It's gonna be a beautiful day. And oh, before I even start, let me give a shout out to my man Jonathan. I met a dude, Jonathan, over at the picture show in East Windsor, said what's up to me. If anybody sees me out in public, feel free to come up and say hi. I'd love it. But anyway, shout out to you, Jonathan. And let's get these 18 in. See? 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 Right, that drive was trash. But now I just gotta try to get onto the fairway. Right at the tree. Interesting. Let's see if we can find that one. Oh my goodness. Oh, sit. All right, I think we got a putt. Not bad. Oh, man, that was close. Thank you. Oh. Yeah, just go and hit it. Yeah, don't go in the bunker. I'm good. I think it went in though. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No. All right, I'm going for part two. Let's see what this thing is. Okay, it's pretty straight. Too soft. No. That's way too far. Yeah, I missed these in my sleep. Take the bogey. Got it, thank you. Bogey, bogey, bogey. Stay. Stay. Don't you dare. Woo! Man, that thing is dangerous. I should have clubbed up. All right, I almost rolled back in the water, but I didn't. I was gonna try to get this up nice and easy. Okay, not bad for it too. Let's see if we can get a par. All right, this is for par. Oh, just burned the edge, baby. Just bogey, bogey, bogey. Nice putt, man. I'll give it to you. I barely walked away with a bogey on that hole. That was awesome. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. What is wrong with you, Joe? All right. Not my best shot, of course. Let's see if we can just get this on the green. Oh boy, flew the entire green. Oh! Oh, now it's bad. Wow. You want to go in, don't you? You want to go in, don't you? Okay. I don't know how many putts that was. Oh, that's only 2 putts. But a horrible approach to the green. Let's see if we can clean that up next hole.
Maybe go straighter. These just have a little more.
Did I? Yeah, I believe it. Same thing. Don't know what's wrong with me, but I gotta figure it out soon, hopefully. Great. Still not making great contact with it, but I should be able to chip up onto the green from there. Okay, we got a putt, long putt. Ah. I hate 3 putts. I got a 7. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. Horrible. I'm dying here, guys. Okay, we're out. Playing this par 3 horribly. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Barely. All right, I'm stinking pretty bad today. I don't know what's wrong with me. See if I can clean this up a little bit. Not like that. What the heck is wrong with me? I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I almost went in right here. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be wet. All right, I think I lost that ball. All right, gotta drop one. Lost it, went in the water. Let's just see if we can chip on over. All right, let's go putt. And I can do from there. This game's gonna make me go nuts. I don't know, guys. I gotta tell myself right now, don't give up, because this is depressing. I haven't hit this bad in ages. Finally, a decent shot. Okay, barely on the green, but we can putt that one. Oh, this is severely uphill. Come on back, come on back, come on back, you can do it. Oh, come on. That was nice. We'll give you that. I mean, you know, unless you want to take it. This is a tough one. Oh boy. How bad did I misjudge that one? Bad hole, really bad. Closest to the pin. right. Oh, bunker. Oh, that's gonna be too far. Thanks. That's a double. You hate to see it. All right, I did horrible on that front nine. Horrible. I can't find my swing to save my life. I can't hit irons. I can barely hit driver. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna clean it up on the back nine. Let's go. He's on number one, but he can hit it over. That's on fairway one too. That would have been a great shot on the first hole. All right, I'm back on hole number one. I gotta punch over to hole number 10. Oh boy, I tell you. Right, I think I'm on the right side of the fairway. That's on the left side. Long putt for a par. Long shot at par. Not impossible though. Man, that is long. That is long. Come back to the right. Come on, come on. Oh. Bogey. Bogey, not bad, not a bad way to start the back nine. I'll take the bogey. That is, no, it's in there. It went to the left. It'll be hard for me to find, but I'll take a look. That was bad, but it's out. Woo. Stayed up. Third shot was pretty decent. Close enough here where I can just get on, nice and easy. Oh boy. Blew that one, let's putt it. Stupid putt for me. Oh! I hope it stayed in. It's gonna be close.
Join the bogey club.
Yeah. Thank you. On the right side of the green. How bad do you want this par? How bad? How bad? How bad? How bad do you want it? Thanks. Nice one. Almost.
I like
Ah. Yeah. Let me see if I might find that one. Right, I could not find that drive, so I'm dropping one right here. Shot number 3. Ah. It rains and pours. All right, didn't get much distance. See if we can make up for it here. Okay, so I'll take a huge bounce off the cart path. Let's go see if we can find it. That bounce off the cart path is what I needed. I only have about 60, 70 yards to the green, 72 yards to the green. Ah! This is gonna take a spectacular putt just for a bogey. Too fast. Come on, Joe. A little too fast. Yeah. It's the hole you want to play. Close. The unconventional bogey. Yep. I can't hit a thing off the tee today. Great shot. Follow a bad shot with a good shot. It's a beautiful shot. Made it all the way to the mouth of the water. Now all I gotta do is just get on to the green. Oh my goodness. That's gone. Lost that shot, of course. Went into the bushes. I'm just gonna put this on the green. All right, it's up there. Ooh wee! Nice putt. Hey, we'll give you that. Nice putt. Nice putt. It's a par 5. I believe. 4. Don't know. Just cover your heads. If I drive the green, nachos on the calf.
Oh, look at that.
It's not the green. Nachos. Ah. Call me Nacho Libre. Oh no, dude. Smoked it, I believe. Yep, fluid green. One of them days. One of them stupid days. I don't even know what that was. This has been a horrible round of golf for me. I have got to get back in the lab and work and practice because this is unacceptable. I'm gonna get better. You think I hit the ground first? I'm gonna show you the replay.
Yeah, we gotta see that. That's how I hit the ground and I hit the...
I don't think I'm hitting the ground first though. I think what I'm doing is I'm hitting the ball into the ground. I don't know. That's what it feels like. I give up. Oh! Sheesh. That almost took out a kid. Nice out. We ending on a high note, ain't we, fellas? One hand putt, why not, right? What's the difference? I'm not making it with two hands. This game stinks. Oh, and that's gonna do it. I stink at golf. One day I'll get good. I'm not good right now.
That's about though. We had a great time.
Just having fun. Have fun playing
guy.
golf.
Look at this guy.
Look good while you do it. And play bad. He made that one?
He did.
What?
Off the thing. Hey, I thought that was one of you guys. That's not you.
All right, I played so unbelievably bad. I really thought I was getting better, but I have not turned the corner yet. Anyway, have fun playing golf. Look good while you do it. And play bad. I will catch y'all in the next video on the YouTubes. Love y'all. Peace.